Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. All right, today I'm doing something a little bit different in the kitchen. I'm gonna make a candy. It's gonna be Halloween for the Americans, so I figured I'd make a candy. Now what I'm doing is a play on a Reese's peanut butter cup. I'm using white chocolate, peanut butter, and also some of my pumpkin butter. All right, now I've got 2.5 bags of the white chocolate. I'll use 1.5 bags for the bases, and then we'll use the pumpkin butter and the peanut butter as the filling. So I'll go put this in a double boiler and then set up the little patty pans so we can start making them. So here we have our white chocolate in our double boiler, melted down. Just going to put a dollop in each one and just using a spatula spread it out and also bring it up the sides. So we want to actually form the cup with the chocolate. Try not to get it too thick, which I've done with this one. So it takes them out. There we go. Just spread that out. All right, so I'll go through and do the rest of these. Okay, there they are, all set and shaped. Just going to put them in the fridge, let them cool down, and then we can start working on the filling. And next up, we're going to mix up our filling. So you want some peanut butter, just gives that a mix around. And some of our pumpkin butter. Okay, time to put it together. So a couple of teaspoons. Just need to get the amount of filling for each one. Pop it in there and just press it down. Just go through and fill those all up. Okay, next up we want to get our top coat of chocolate. Just spread that over the top. As you can see, I've got a better temperature this time. Last time it looked like it seized up a little. I'd taken it a bit too high in temperature. And that, when you're at that lower temperature, it actually runs a little bit better than when you go higher. And there we are, all covered up. Now the really hard part of the recipe, put them in the fridge and leave them alone overnight. Just going to let them all set up firmly before I go for the taste test. Here we are next morning, where they've had a chance to set up properly. Now, ideally, you don't want to be eating them straight out of the fridge because it will make them hard, and they're not as thin as, say, your Reese's peanut butter cup. Yeah, they're not as pretty, no, but it's homemade. It's not made by a factory machine. All right, and the important thing, the taste test. And yeah, they are wonderful. That flavor combination works really well. The white chocolate with the spiced pumpkin, the peanut butter, just really delicious. Yeah, I'd say it's a better flavor combination than the original peanut butter cups, but I'm not a huge fan of milk chocolate. All right, thank you very much, everyone, for watching, and bye for now.